When we'll write bigger programs in C++, we'll often come across loops within loops, which are called nested loops. To understand nested loops, we'll write simple nested loops where pattern printing is done. There is various kind of pattern printing. We'll understand the most basic one first. So we'll get how many lines of patterns we want to print from the user itself. Okay, so we'll say, ask the user, give count. Okay, and then we'll collect this value of count from the user. Now we'll write a external for loop. An external for loop is often used for repeating the rows in a pattern, and this will repeat till count. Whatever number of rows are there, we'll repeat that, and when we'll increase I++ and then create this structure of outer loop. In the outer loop, since we want to outer loop is for, we'll just put a comment for rows. So after every row, we'd like to give a end of line. So we'll give a thing like this, and then we'll write an inner loop. Since this loop is within this for loop, so this is called an inner loop, and here we'll take a different variable j. Again start from, now just j has to start from this count because we want to print a half pyramid kind of thing. You will sure understand as you will see this pattern printed. So up to I this will print, and j++. No, we'll like to reduce this. So j minus minus, because this way are repetition of rows and for each char in a row, right? Then we'll simply suppose printing a symbol star in a row. This is a single character, so we'll put in a single quote. Okay, we can put it in double also, but single quote is enough here. And then this loop inside is there. This is loop outside. This is count from user from 1 to count I++, count and L, starting from count here, greater than equal to I, j minus minus. I think this should print the inverted half pyramid. Let us run this. Then we'll come to know what is happening. So we'll give count as say 5. This inverted half pyramid has been printed. Just a minor beautification here. This is again printed like this. Suppose I give 3, so this will print a 3 pyramid. If I give 10, this will give a 10 pyramid. 10 pyramid means 10 rows, and first one will print 10 characters and last one will have 1 character. Now, lot of variations of this kind of loops are there. Suppose, interestingly, you just print I here. Just see the result. Suppose I give 5 here. So this has printed the I value. First time the I was 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. See, just give j here, inside loop value. So suppose this is j. So now this is j is decreasing every time. So this has printed a interesting loop like this, and this j value will be decreasing every time, and last would be the final value. And we can also convert this value to say character value. Suppose I print character. This is I am casting this value to character so that I can print an alphabet. Suppose I print I plus 64. That means if I is 1, it will print a capital A. 6, because capital A ASCII code is 65. So as character it should print a capital A, and then similarly other things. Let us see. Count 5. So all A's first, B's first, C's first, D's again. Earlier it was all 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3 that way. Now I do it with J also. J plus 64. So if I print like this, now it is a decreasing loop again in alphabets. So you can have multiple kind of thing, number patterns, symbol patterns, alphabet patterns, all kind of patterns you can print here. And just for a person who want to try it with a string literal, say I want to print 8 as a string. So this will print all 8s. Interesting. So I had given this example to let you understand that how can nested loops be designed. Basically within this loop there is another loop which is based on the value of outer loop. An inner loop works on the value of outer loop. That's how. And we have written a generic code where how many rows are there we can write. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.